Hello awesome people, this is Anand and welcome to another Kotlin tutorial. In this video, I will show you guys how to set up Eclipse IDE for Kotlin development. So without any further delay, let's start. Open your web browser and go to Google. Here on the search bar, type Eclipse latest IDE download and press enter. Most probably the first link that pops up will be from eclipse.org and that's the correct link. Click on it. If for some reasons you are not able to find the correct link, then copy and paste this URL on your browser. Once you open the link, you will see a web page like this. This is the official page for downloading Eclipse IDE. Here click on the download button. This will redirect you to another web page. Here also you need to click download. Once you click on the download button, it will start downloading. Based on your internet speed, it may take some time to complete the download. Once download is done, click on the downloaded exe file. After that, Eclipse installer will open. Here select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Here you can change the installation folder if you want. I am not going to change it. Now hit install button. After that you will be asked to accept the terms and condition. Here click on accept now. After that installation of Eclipse IDE will start. It may take some time to complete the installation, so please wait for the installation to be completed. Once installation is done, click on launch button. After few seconds, a simple window like this will open. Here you will be asked to set the workplace for your Eclipse project. If you are not happy with the default location, click on browse and choose the workplace directory. Since I am happy with the default location, I am clicking cancel here. If you don't want to appear this window every time you open Eclipse, then click on this checkbox. Now hit launch button. Now we need to install the plugin for Kotlin. For that, click on the help menu at the top menu bar and go to Eclipse Marketplace. Here at the search bar, type Kotlin. Now click on install button. After that, it will start installing Kotlin plugin. After few seconds, you will be asked to accept the terms and condition. Click on accept and hit finish. After that, it will start installing the required software. As you can see at the bottom, it's showing the progress of installation. Wait for installation to be completed. Once installation is done, your Eclipse IDE is ready for Kotlin development. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and do not forget to subscribe my channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Till then, keep learning and have a nice day.